Good morning, students. Today we will start from the question number 9. Okay, so open your my observation book and see the question number 9. So, question number 9 is, why do you think the monuments and paintings in India have such a great variety? Okay, so question is, why do you think the monuments and paintings? So what is the meaning of monuments? Means the historical things like Taj Mahal, that buildings like Buland Darwaja, okay, all these. And paintings in India have such a great variety, okay, variety. So Indian architecture means architecture is the making design of buildings, and painting style has been shaped by different cultures, religion and civilization that flourished in the past. Okay, so in the past, if we see, like India have different culture people, religion people. Okay, so if we see the painting architecture, so they have been shaped by different culture, religion and civilization that flourished in the past. So this help us see a variety in structure. So we can see that there is a variety means different. Okay, one building or architecture is different from the other. So this help us see a variety in structure, design, style and purpose of different monuments and painting in India. Okay, like Mughal painting having different type, or we have study about the paintings Madhubani, Kalamkari paintings. So all these have different types. Okay, they are shaped in different way. So we see building also, so they also having different types. So structure, painting, all these that we have, they have been shaped by, or we can say built by different people. They belongs to different religion. Okay, so by this we can see that there is a variety in structure, design, style and purpose of different monuments and painting in India. Okay, next question number 10. Suggest any 3 measures that we can take to conserve our material heritage. So अपनी जो material heritage है उसको conserve करने के लिए, means बचाने के रखने के लिए, what step can be taken? 3 measures. So you have to give 3 measures. So first measure that can be taken to conserve our material heritage is, first is, stop people from scribbling on the walls of the monuments. Okay, scribbling, what is the meaning of scribbling? It means writing something roughly. Okay, कि जैसे दीवारों पे आप लोग देखते हो कि किसी ने मतलब ड्राइंग गंदी तरीके से ड्राइंग कर दिया, कुछ भी गंदा लिख दिया, मतलब जैसे रफली कोई चीज़ को लिखना. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्क्रबलिंग. सो स्टॉप पीपल फ्रॉम स्क्रबलिंग ऑन द वॉल्स ऑफ द मॉन्यूमेंट्स. सेकेंड, स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस. अवेयरनेस मीन्स दे शुड बी अवेयर, उनको बताया जाए, जागरूक किया जाए. स्प्रेड अवेयरनेस अबाउट द मोनूमेंट्स एंड देयर इम्पोर्टेंस. देन ऑर्गेनाइज रेगुलर हेरिटेज क्लीनिनेस ड्राइव्स. तो उनकी जो सफाई है वगैरह है उसको रेगुलर रखना. देन पीपल शुड बी अवेयर अबाउट देयर इम्पोर्टेंस एंड stop people from writing, we can say, on the wall of the monuments. So these are the methods which can be taken to conserve our material heritage. Okay, next is that we have question number 11. Arun and Vasudha are discussing about India material heritage. So you have to complete the dialogues between them. Means we have given conversation, वो उनके आपस में बात हो रही है. So Arun and Vasudha both are discussing. So we have to complete the sentence. Okay, मतलब means about dialogues. So first Arun I wonder why people take care of old monuments, statues, and painting. Why can't they buy or make now new ones? Okay. So Arun says that why people can't buy or make new one. So Vasudha, Arun, we must understand these are a part of our material heritage. Okay, means Arun is talking about that why people can't buy, कि लोग क्यों नहीं खरीद सकते and make new one, नया क्यों नहीं बना देते. So it is not possible to make new one building like the monuments that we have. Okay. So, Vasudha, Arun, we must understand these are a part of our material heritage and it is important to value them. So, unko value dena, that is important, and these are part of our whatever material heritage we have. So, all these are part of our material heritage and important to value them. Then Arun, oh, this means that old monuments reveal about the life in the older times. Obviously, when we talk about the monuments, then there is a story that related to each monument. Okay, so that tell us about the old time, that how people live. Okay, so what was the way of living, like different religion people having different culture, different way of living. So we came to know about the older times, that how people live. Okay. Then Vasudha, not only the monuments but also painting. कि monuments in painting be the beautiful painting like miniature painting made under the Mughal king show the beauty and the fine work of painters. So if we see the painting, so these shows, miniature means painting at a small scale. So these painting tell us about the beauty and fine means अच्छा जो पेंटर का काम था उसके बारे में हमें पता चलता है. They also tell us about the life at that time. So we came to know through painting that what was the life of the people at that time, how they live. Then yes, okay, that we have completed this question number 11. So this is the we can say conversation between Arun and Vasudha. They are talking, so we have to complete the dialogue. Okay, like here dash dash is given, so what will come here. Okay, so students fill these dialogues in your, complete these dialogues in your my observation book. Next question that we have, what do the monuments in India tell us about the influence of different culture on Indian architecture? So what is the architecture? Architecture is the making of building. Okay, so what do the monuments in India tell us about the influence of different culture? कि जो हमारा architecture है उस पे हमें we can see the effect of different culture. No doubt that India is a country now, also is a country of different religion people, or we can say unity in disparities. Okay, so there is the different culture people in past time also, and we can see that there is a great variety in structure and design of different monuments. Okay, like if we see Taj Mahal, and then we see the Jantar Mantar, so there is the different in the architecture design. Hawa Mahal that we see, so Hawa Mahal structure is different from the Taj Mahal. If we see the Buland Darwaja, so that is also different from Jantar Mantar or Hawa Mahal. So different building, or we can say monuments, have different type of structure. So there is a great variety in the design and structure. The design and material used in these monuments tell a lot about the culture, religion and civilization that flourished during that time. So the design and material means what design is given to the building and material used in the monuments tell a lot, हमें बहुत कुछ बताता है about the culture, religion and civilization, that what was the culture of the people, religion, कि कौन से मतलब मटेरियल से एंड स्ट्रक्चर से वी कैन नो दैट दिस इज द बिल्डिंग मेड बाय मुगल एंड बाय हिंदू king, okay, and civilization that flourished during that time. Okay, so these building and monuments tell us about the culture, religion and civilization that flourished during that time. That is why there is a great variety in structure and design of different monuments. Okay, so students, we have done question number 9, that is, why do you think the people and painting in India have such a great variety? So no doubt there is a great variety in the Indian architecture and painting. Then we discussed any 3 measures that can be taken to conserve our material heritage. So this is stop people from scribbling, writing on the walls, to spread awareness, organize regular cleanliness. Then we have to complete the conversation between Arun and Vasudha. Then what do the monuments in India tell us about the influence of different, कि हमारे जो monuments है उस पर different culture का effect हमें देखने को मिलता है. So yes, we can see because these architecture and monuments are designed by different people, and also there is a great variety in structure and designing and material use in the buildings. Okay, so students, do all these questions in your my observation book. Okay, you have to complete your my observation book. If you face any doubt, any query, you are free to ask. Thank you.